Have you ever felt like the world around you was simply not made for someone like you? Like everyone else had a path to walk on, but yours was blocked, covered in concrete, with no way through. Maybe you grew up with very little. Maybe no one in your family ever went to university. Maybe the people around you told you that dreaming big was foolish, that people like you do not make it. But here is something I want you to think about. Have you ever seen a small plant growing through a crack in a concrete wall? No soil, no water, no sunlight. Just a tiny seed that refused to accept the conditions it was born into. Today's story is about a girl just like that seed. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. So glad you are here with me today. 5 brand new vocabulary words, 5 sentences to practice out loud, and a story about the most powerful force in the human spirit, the refusal to give up on yourself. Let us begin. Lena grew up in a small flat on the 4th floor of a gray building in a crowded neighborhood. Her mother worked 2 jobs. Her father had left when she was 3 years old. There were 4 children, and never quite enough of anything. Not enough space, not enough quiet, not enough money at the end of the month. But there was one thing Lena always had: a library card. Every Saturday morning, before her mother woke up, Lena would walk 15 minutes to the local library. She would push open the heavy door, feel the cool air on her face, and spend 4 hours reading everything she could find. Science books, history books, biographies of people who had started with nothing and built something remarkable. She would copy sentences she liked into a small notebook she kept hidden under her mattress, not because anyone told her to, just because something inside her said those words mattered, and she did not want to lose them. At school, Lena was quiet. She sat near the front and paid attention. She asked questions that sometimes made the teachers pause because they were deeper than expected. But outside of school, nobody took her seriously. Her neighborhood had a way of deciding who people were going to be before they had the chance to decide for themselves. When Lena was 15, she told her mother she wanted to become a doctor. Her mother looked at her with tired eyes and said, "Lena, do you know how much that costs? Do you know how long that takes? We are not those kinds of people." Lena did not argue. She simply nodded and went back to her room. She opened her notebook and wrote one sentence at the top of a fresh page. She wrote, "I am exactly that kind of person." She read that sentence every morning before school for the next 3 years. At 16, she applied for a scholarship at a science summer program at a university 2 hours away. She wrote the application herself late at night after her siblings were asleep at the kitchen table with a small lamp because she did not want to wake anyone. She was rejected. But she applied again the following year. This time, she rewrote her application 4 times. She asked her science teacher to read it. He made suggestions. She rewrote it again. She was accepted. That summer changed everything. She lived on campus for 6 weeks, surrounded by students who spoke about science the way she had only ever read about it in books. Professors who took her questions seriously. A laboratory where she could actually conduct experiments with her own hands. She was not the smartest student there, but she was the most determined. She arrived first and left last. She asked for extra reading. She stayed after sessions to speak with the instructors. At the end of the program, the head professor called her aside. He said, "Lena, I have been running this program for 12 years. I have taught hundreds of students. You have something that most people never develop. You know exactly why you are here. That is rarer than intelligence. Do not ever let anyone take it from you. She wrote that down in her notebook too. Lena went on to finish school with top grades. She applied to medical school with a full scholarship application that she had been preparing for 2 years. She was accepted on her first attempt. On the day she received her acceptance letter, she sat at the same kitchen table where she had written her scholarship application years before. The same lamp, the same chair. The small flat was exactly as it had always been. Her mother came into the kitchen. Lena handed her the letter without a word. Her mother read it. Then she sat down slowly. Then she covered her face with her hands and cried. After a long moment, she looked up and said, "I was wrong. I am sorry. I was wrong." Lena took her mother's hand and said, "You were tired. There is a difference." Years later, Dr. Lena stood in front of a group of young students from neighborhoods just like hers. She told them about the library, the notebook, the rejected application, the kitchen table at midnight. And then she said something that stayed with every single one of them. She said, "The concrete does not decide what grows. Only the seed does. And the only question that has ever mattered is whether you are willing to keep pushing. Not until it is easy, but until it is done." Now, let us learn 5 important words from today's story. Word number 1, remarkable. Remarkable is an adjective. It means something that is very unusual and impressive in a way that deserves attention and admiration. Lena read biographies of people who had started with nothing and built something remarkable. If something is remarkable, it makes people stop and take notice. Say it with me. Remarkable. Word number 2, scholarship. Scholarship is a noun. It means money given to a student to help pay for their education, usually because of their talent, hard work, or financial need. Lena applied for a scholarship at a university science program. She worked very hard to earn it. Say it. Scholarship. Word number 3, conduct. Conduct is a verb. It means to carry out or perform an activity in an organized and careful way. At the summer program, Lena was able to conduct real experiments with her own hands for the first time. We also use conduct to describe how someone behaves. Say it. Conduct. Word number 4, determined. Determined is an adjective. It means having a very strong decision inside yourself to achieve something, no matter how difficult it becomes. Lena was not the smartest student in the program, but she was the most determined. Determination is what keeps you going when talent alone is not enough. Say it. Determined. Word number 5, develop. Develop is a verb. It means to grow, improve, or build something over time through effort and experience. The professor told Lena she had something that most people never develop. Skills, habits, and character all develop slowly over time. Say it. Develop. Let us say all 5 words together one final time. Remarkable. Scholarship. Conduct. Determined. Develop. You are developing your English every single time you listen to this channel, and that is something truly remarkable. Now, let us practice speaking English together. I will say each sentence clearly and slowly. You repeat it out loud after me. Speak with energy. Speak with belief. You have come this far. You can do this. Ready? Let us go. Sentence number 1. Where you come from does not have to decide where you are going. Repeat after me. Where you come from does not have to decide where you are going. Very good. Sentence number 2. The people who succeed are not always the most talented. They are the most determined. Repeat after me. The people who succeed are not always the most talented. They are the most determined. Excellent. Sentence number 3. Every rejection is a lesson that makes your next attempt stronger. Repeat after me. Every rejection is a lesson that makes your next attempt stronger. Wonderful. Sentence number 4. Keep going, not because it is easy, but because it matters to you. Repeat after me. Keep going, not because it is easy, but because it matters to you. Brilliant. Sentence number 5. The concrete does not decide what grows. Only the seed does. Repeat after me. The concrete does not decide what grows. Only the seed does. Outstanding. Absolutely wonderful. Those 5 sentences are some of the most powerful we have practiced on this channel. Say them again. Write them down. Put them somewhere you can see them every day. Lena did not have the right conditions. She did not have money or connections or anyone who believed in her at the beginning. She had a library card, a small notebook, and a sentence she read to herself every single morning for 3 years. I am exactly that kind of person. That sentence became her foundation. Everything else grew from it. You may be sitting right now in a situation that feels like concrete, heavy, hard, impossible to break through. But you are here. You are learning. You are showing up. And every single day that you do that, you are growing, even when you cannot see it yet. The concrete does not decide what grows. Only you do. Thank you so much for watching Learn English with Stories. If today's episode gave you strength or inspired you in any way, please subscribe to this channel right now. Share this video with someone who needs to hear Lena's story today. It might be exactly what they need. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new episode, and leave a comment below answering this question. What is the one dream you are still working toward, even when it is hard? Tell me. I want to hear it. And I want you to say it out loud, because the moment you write it down, it becomes more real. A brand new story is waiting for you on this channel. Click it now. I will see you in the next one. Keep pushing. You are the seed, not the concrete.